morning, 11:52 na guys. The next day to Friday, January 19. Kararating lang ko dito sa bahay, galing caravan. Then nag-ship ako ng kaganito ako guys. Dinala ko lang kagabi yung isi-ship kong mga parcels. So naka-ship na ako. And yung mga bata, yung boys, nasa nasa bay, nag-fishing. Si Jan, nag-fishing siya kanina. Tapos pag kagaling niyang fishing, diretso siya dito sa bahay, nagkakat siya ng grass. Ayan. Malulubat na tayo. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay, yes baby, mag-flash na yung battery natin. Ang gagawin ko ay eto. Tatanggalin ko tong ating mga Christmas decor, yung Christmas tree. What's that, Baba?
Or can just hang and put it in the front.
Okay. Alright. So, yan ang gagawin ko, guys. Unahin ko pala muna dito. Dito na yung box niya. Ayan, dito natin siya ilalagay. So, natanggal na natin siya. Mamaya, pupunasan ko yan. Kasi may mga dust at saka may mga ganyan. Pinakain ko muna si Holly kasi humingi siya ng food. And ayan yung tira kong pansit. So good, isn't it, my love? Hot. Is it masarap? Is it masarap? Ito na yung next kong kakalasin. Wala tayong katulong ngayon kasi yung boys may mga ganap na sila sa buhay nila, guys. Si mami na lang talaga. Tapos ko na silang tanggalin except dun sa angel. And nandito na sila. Yan. Kailangan talagang balutin sila ng maayos para ma-preserve yung kanilang kagandahan. Para next year, maganda pa rin sila. Parang bago lang. Kasi eto, ilang taon na to sa akin. Diba? Ilang taon na to sa akin. Hindi ako nagpapalit. Kasi eto talagang gusto kong kulay sa Christmas tree. White. Next is, what's...
Do you want me to get the balls?
Later, Babags. I need to get a bag for that balls. Ito na. Ayan. Ito, babalutin rin natin to. Ayan siya yung last. Ayan na siya. Tatakpan na to. Next is yung mga balls. Kunti lang naman yan. Tapos yung mesh. And yung Christmas light, yung pinaka medyo matagal ko yan. Matatanggal kasi pinulupot natin yun ng bonggang-bongga. Takpan ko na to. Hindi pa ako tapos, guys. Pero fold ko na yung isang mesh. Magsasampay lang ako. So, ayan. Isampay ko muna ang mga yan. And yung grass natin, ang ganda. And yung apricot pala, guys. Hindi namin napakinabangan kasi nung gusto na namin i-harvest, ang dami niyang butas. Kasi kinain na ng ibon. Tingnan nyo. Wala na siyang bunga, guys. Kasi inubos na ng ibon. Mayroon na lang isa. Ayan. Oh, meron tayong nakuha ang isa na walang butas. The rest, as in, may mga butas. Wala na. Meron sa taas, pero ang for sure, may butas din yun. Wala yung taga-akyat natin eh. Pero may nakuha tayong ang ganda-ganda. Tikman natin. Wow, magsampay. Ito pala yung aking hot pa nagsasampay. Punasan lang natin kasi may mga web siya. Harap. Patikim ko kayo dyan.
Mommy, I have a water.
It's really sweet.
That one's
May
mine.
golf siya mamaya.
That was really nice.
Nice, no? Nice and big.
Where'd you find it?
Just the bottom one. Good, no? Huh?
It's got to be pruned.
Yeah, because it's too high. And then we can put the net, right? Next time, huh? So we can get the good one. Sarap.
Oh, that.
Kaya magsampay niya ako. Kailangan daw yun tabasan kasi ang lagu-lagu ng dahon. So hopefully, next year makakuha tayong magandang harvest. Tapos lagyan ng net. Kasi yung ibon, may mga tuka. Ang laki, oh. Okay, sampay na ako. Ang ganda na ang weather ngayon. Nasampay ko na pala. And nandito na yung mga bata. See you. Mag-golf sila. Golf sila nila daddy at kuya. See you, kuya! See ya! Good luck! See ya na. Ha?
Where's my hat?
See ya. Put sunscreen, ha? Good luck! Malapit akong matapos dito sa Christmas tree. Mayroon akong nagawa. Naputol guys sa cord. Dalawa yung naputol sa cord. Ayan, so baka hindi na ito magamit next year. Ayan, dalawa. Naputol sila. Sobrang tagal na din nila, no? But, yeah. Isa na lang yung tatanggalin ko and si Jan nito magkakalas. Hindi ko na hinintay si Jan, guys. Ako na lang nagkalas ng Christmas tree. And dito ko siya ibabalot. And pinakuha ko to kay Holly kasi wawalisin natin yung mga ano ng Christmas tree. Yan, oh, ang dami. So, kumuha ko ng bagong bedsheet na hindi namin ginagamit. Kasi yung pinaglalagyan nito ay butas-butas na, guys. Hindi na okay. So, yan. Napatumba na natin yung Christmas tree. Hiningal ako. Nakaligo na pala ako, guys. And, yan, si Holly. Pinaligoan ko na rin. 4:40 na. And, magdi-dinner kami sa golf club at 6. So, kaya nag-ready na ako. Para mamaya, alis na kami ni Holly. And, gamit ko, guys, yung AA ni Lax Skin. Kasi, hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo, may glow siya, diba? And gusto ko ito mag-light. Parang nag-lighten nga. Pero nag-lighten naman siya before. Dahil siguro sa mga dati pang ginagamit ko na Korean products. And uminom din tayo ng Lax Skin. Lax Beauty Talks. Nakailang bottle na tayong Beauty Talks, guys. So, you're in. Okay, guys. Paalis na ko ni Holly. 5:56. 6 o'clock yung dinner sa sa golf club. And nakaayos na ako kasi mamaya after ng dinner namin, magla-live ako sa TikTok at saka sa ChonaAndMyKids. Sa ChonaAndMyKids ako nagla-live instead sa Holy Mom Style kasi para ma-shoutout ko kayo. Okay? Seatbelt?
Yep.
Alright. Ganda ng weather. Sana wag...
Range of free measuring supplies.
Mahangin lang. Yung hangin, malamig. Kung wala sanang hangin, sobrang ganda. Mafe-feel mo na talagang summer na summer dito. Overexposure tayo dito ngayon. Kasi yung sana sa harapan natin. Okay, kamusta kayo yung laro ng mga boys? Every Friday nag-golf yung mga, especially si Kuya tsaka si Jan. Si Sak ngayon lang sumama. Hindi ko lang kung anong nakain ni Sak, pero yeah. Gamit kong lipstick yung creamy matte lip ng Lax Skin. Yung she's, ano ba to? Pouty she? Simply she. May pouty din kasi. So, eto si Simply she. Ang ganda guys. May cooling effect siya. And hindi siya drying na matte, lipstick. Kasi usually, ang mga matte lipstick ay drying sa lips. Ito hindi. May cooling effect pag in-apply mo siyang very, very light. And, yeah, hindi siya dry. Okay, drive na muna kayo ni Holly. Right, Baba?
Yep.
Okay, dito na tayo guys. And nakikita ko na yung boys. Si Sasha kasi Kuya. Ayan yung dalawa. Tapos na rin siguro sila. And nandito na rin sila Auntie Mel. And Uncle Jace. Hindi ko pa nakikita si John. Wala pa yung bagay ni Johnny Boy. And si Ollie. Ayan yung magkapatid. Wala pa si Daddy. And si Kuya. Go si Auntie Mel. Are you shy?
No.
Why?
Then
Say it, Uncle Jace.
since the 4th, I started getting better.
Nag-change na siya. Yan, tagal na hindi siya naglaro ng golf eh. Ayan si Kuya. How did you go, ya? Right? Ha?
I'm going.
Annoying daw si Zach. Tapos na rin si Johnny Boy. Who's the Auntie Mel? Nakaupo na pala kayo sa table guys and naka-order na rin kami. 6:43 na. May dala pala akong tubig at saka ito yung aking freshies na avocado milk. Sobrang sarap nito. Kung nasa Pinas kayo, itry nyo to. Masarap siya. Yung in-order ko ay yung steak well done with surf and turf. Yung surf and turf is ano siya guys? Prawns with cream. So, yun yung special nila ngayon na toppings. Hi, Saki. No, this is Mommy.
I'll shake it.
No. Wait, no.
You should have taken a drink out.
I know. Me. I should have. I forgot. Dapat ininom ko siyang konti. Binawasan ba yung tubig kaso? Binawasan ko ng konti. Where's TJ?
Is it a final or no?
What's that one?
Gusto niyang uminom ulit. Nagustuhan niya to pero bawal siya nito ata. Hindi ito pwede sa bata. Yung ano lang, yung laxim na dalandan pwede sa kanila. Pero ito hindi pwede. Tinatanong, what did you say, Zach? What are you asking me?
I could get it.
What are you asking me, Zach?
What does it do for you?
To make me beautiful and younger.
What's it do?
Yes! To make me beautiful and younger. It is. Ito, ano daw ginagawa nito sa katawan ko? It's true, Zach, to make me younger and it is.
Nothing.
So I'm not beautiful?
To make you that
Huh?
calm.
Yes, it is. To make me...
Younger.
So I'm not younger? Oh, that hurts. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Good job, Kuya.
It was $34 for the men. It was worth, I think it's worth about $70 for the ladies. None of the ladies can get on the green. The juniors is up to $90. None of the juniors can get on the green. But Johnny Howard managed to get on the floor.
Wow!
Big jacket obviously wasn't the first hole. He hit over the fence.
Well
again,
done,
$24.
bub.
Well Johnny.
Well done.
Enough to buy his playing partners around. Congrats, team.
Wow!
There you go. Draw out a six pack. Hold that. Melissa.
Wow! Ah, it's
Congratulations.
wow, Gwen. Ang dami naming prize ngayon na nakuha.
That was Wes.
Thank you.
Just go to the bar and grab your six-pack when you leave.
Thank you.
Good. Wow, Uncle Jace. Yan yung napanalunan ni Auntie Mel na nabunot ni Kuya yung pangalan niya. Beer. Oh, same as what you drinking, Auntie Mel. Carlton Dry. Thank you. Ayan yung dinner natin. Hoy, don't. This is not yours. This is Johnny Boy and this is mine. Which one is yours, son? Pinili niya yung mas malaki. Hindi kami kasya sa table, so hanap siya ng upuan niya. Kuha tayong salad. Hindi masyadong marami yung choices ngayon, guys. Walang, di ba? Wala masyado, pero okay na yan. Eto, gusto ko to. Gusto ko yan.
You're right, Cliff. She'll be bloody. Bring it back round.
Nak. Sisak chicken with Hawaiian again. Hawaiian. Ayan yung ating plate ng salad. Thank you. Ayan kay Holly. Gravy.
Oh, that looks better.
Yeah, chicken schnitzel. Chicken schnitzel with gravy. And ito yung atin. Ayan yung salad ko. And yung surf and turf na steak. And freshie. Nandito yung dalawang boys. How's yours, yeah? Sorry. Ayan kay Kuya. Same as Holly. Huh? He wants fish. Oh. Oh. Saki. How's yours? How's yours? Good. Okay. Kasama nila si Ollie. Huh? You like the ham now? Yeah. Yeah, try it with the chicken. Last time kasi ayaw niya yung ham. What? My dinner? Alright. I can't promise. Yeah, Papa.
One more. They go off the crayfish pots.
Eat your chips, please.
Oh, I'll clean up night beer, stay, the party going, that's all y'all up, right in the middle of the old hole.
Pick a square or whatever. Ah.
You thought it was all right. Yeah, we've got
Are you going with this?
Oh. Yep, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Dito na yung food nila, Auntie Mel. Okay, Auntie Mel. Chicken with surf and turf.
Oh, you got a bit down.
Tapos, kaya ito taste sa akin.
I've had it the last couple of years when I played.
Gusto ni Holly yung kanya.
Since we start on the 8th, 6 months leave, so I work on it during the week.
Are you hungry, Baba?
Ito lang. Ang dami niya nakain kanina din.
Oh, come here.
Yung pork belly.
What day do we got to go to
With
school?
pancit.
Wednesday. What's that day?
Dito na si Sam.
Don't worry about him. I said, just tell him how much
Put it on your back. Put it on your. Huh?
There you go with it.
You're gonna eat it. You're gonna eat it.
1 gram more in a bag. They'll all be
exactly the same. Rob just laughed my head off. Well, even today, he dropped the bag, 2 bags on the scale. He couldn't believe it. Just shook his head and laughed. I said, yeah, I told you. Right,
Not good now.
Good.
Well done, Holly.
Yeah, well, that's been out in the caravan. So,
I think Kylie said to me she's coming to get the van on Sunday. This Sunday?
yeah, we haven't been up to see the basketball thing.
Next week's so hot, Mom. Next week's gonna be hot. What did you get here? You can sit around with him.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sobrang busog na ako. Si Sak, kanina pa to, pabalik-balik dito. Ayan, ubos. Ang sarap.
Can we have the fat?
No. The fat? No, don't eat the fat. Gusto niya kainin yung fat. Ito, ayaw kong ibigay. No. Too fatty now. Thank you.
What are you using on? So she doesn't wash her hands. Cold.
Kabalik na pala yung dilim. Kabalik na kayo dito sa saan ba maliwanag. Basta ayan. Dito na kami sa caravan. Malamig. So, kinuha ko tong robe natin kasi panlaban sa lamig. May dala si Auntie Mel na dessert. So, punta tayo doon. Yan. O, diba? Malamig. Si Jan at si Kuya umuwi kasi ida-drop off nila yung baggy sa bahay. Tsaka yung trailer. Ha? Nandito na. Ayan na yung you changed to Auntie Mel. Oh. I know. Get your pants there, Baba. You got pants in the caravan. Wala pa yung mag-ama si Jan tsaka si Kuya. Anong oras na? 8:80 na, guys. Sabi ko, uwi ako kasi magla-live ako. Pero babalik din ako. Babalik din ako dito. Dito ako matutulog. Ang tagal. Yung cake, andun lang. Dinala niya ni Auntie Mel kasi last time, si Uncle Jace is sleepy already. Time for bed to Uncle Jace. And marami tayong napanalunan. Gusto ko sana ipakita sa inyo kaso dala ni Jan. Meron tayong barbecue na napanalunan ni Kuya. Tapos si Auntie Mel napanalunan niya. Binunot ni TJ, pangalan ni Auntie Mel, beer. So bagay yun sa kanila. Tapos si Jan nanalo siya na cash. Kasi siya yung pinakamalapit sa pin. Yung almost one hole shoot si Jan doon sa sa paglaro niya ng golf. So, siya yung nanalo. Ang dami natin nakuha ang prize today. Pakita ko saan kaso wala si Johnny Boy. Maybe John forgot the meat, Auntie Mel. You think so?
I don't know. Did anyone tell him?
I don't know. Ewan. Pakita ko na sa'yo pag niluto namin, guys. So, i-end ko na yung vlog. Ito yung dalang cake ni Auntie Mel, yung mud cake from Coles. Last time, yung dala niya, mud cake from Woolies. Si Holly, ayan,
I'm making a banana
bread. Nagluluto-luto siya. So, i-end ko na yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next
vlog.
Go, close the vlog.
Oh, please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys. Dito na. Ayan. Let me see the meat, Kuya. Yan yung napanalunan niya. Let me see.
One of them are mine.
Let me see. Ayan. Meron tayong chicken barbecue, steak, and burger and sausages. Ang dami-dami din na.
Is there anything there?
Why are you smelling it, Sak? Oh my God.
That one smells the best.
Okay, put in the freezer. Ayan, naglalaro rin silang cricket. Mamaya pa sila kakain ng cake. Uwi na ako para ano na tayo, makapagbenta na ng mga paninda ko dun. See you. See you later. See you, babe. I love you. See ya. Kuya, see ya. See ya. Yeah.
Cause I think I do.